Too many businesses make crucial mistakes when creating their pitch decks. So today, I want to give you some vital tips on what to avoid when pitching your business idea to investors. If you can avoid these, you will be well on the road to having the best pitch deck ever. Raising capital from investors is difficult and time-consuming, which makes it crucial to nail your pitch deck content. That's why you need to subscribe to my channel, Pitch Decks Wow Investors. Each week I'll post tips and tricks that will help you take your pitch deck to the next level. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when they're posted. Hi, I'm Antonia from aok.com.au, and I know for a fact that a great pitch deck can make obtaining finance for your business much more likely. I know this because I've successfully helped my clients raise millions for their businesses by showcasing their message in a compelling and engaging way. It definitely works. And to help you along your journey, I'm going to outline some points you really need to avoid if you hope to raise funds for your business. There's a long list of must-dos for your pitch deck, but in this video I'm going to give you some insights on what not to do. Because what you don't do and what you do is just as important as what you need to do. How's that for a tongue twister? First up, don't put excessive content in your pitch deck. If you can't tell someone your business idea in 20 to 30 slides, you will need to look seriously at ways to shorten it. Being given the opportunity to present does not give you the right to gab on endlessly about your business. If you do, investors will zone out and you don't want that. Be concise and get to the point. A pitch presentation is meant to be brief and give an investor a top-level view of your business and hook them on the idea. Giving them too much information can ruin your chances. Let them know that you can go into greater depth if they have questions. If they say yes, you've hooked them. But don't despair. If they can't commit right there and then, investors are very busy people, and suggesting a follow-up meeting is another great option. If an investor is willing to take the time to meet with you a second time, you're on the right track. It's during those follow-up meetings that the magic can happen. If you take away only one point from today's video, let it be this: don't read your script. We've all sat in a presentation where the presenter is reading off their cue cards or off the screen. It's so boring. Practice your presentation until you're blue in the face. This will help you memorize each point and make you look more comfortable in front of an investor. Next up, don't forget to make eye contact. We've all seen a presenter look at anything but the person sitting in front of them. This can present as very sketchy. I get it. Presentations are daunting, and to most people they don't come naturally. But making eye contact can establish a connection with your audience and show confidence. It can be as simple as a quick glance. And here's a deal breaker. When an investor asks a question, don't look away. Look them in the eye and concentrate on what they're saying so that you can answer them clearly. This leads me to my next tip. Don't forget to smile and show expression. Seems obvious, but it's extremely important. You may have given your presentation 100 times, but you have to give each presentation all your energy. So smile and be engaging when it's appropriate throughout your presentation. I say appropriate because we don't want you coming off as a goofball. Here's an important tip. Don't turn up unprepared. Make sure you have the data to back up your claims, and don't be afraid if you don't have all the answers. Just be sure to have the answers to the obvious questions that investors will be asking you. Getting back to them with further information is a great way to keep in communication. Have you made any of these mistakes when pitching? Don't be shy. Tell us about it in the comments below. Don't be boring. No one wants to listen to a monotone voice. If you don't show enthusiasm for your business idea, you can't expect an investor to get excited. We all spend our days talking to people, but talking in front of an audience is a whole new kettle of fish. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Practice. It'll help you avoid too many ums and ahs and give you the confidence to relax. Don't talk down about your competitors to make your business look good. It will just make you look petty. But on the other hand, don't ignore the competition either. Investors want to know that you have analyzed the competition and know who your competitors are. Don't make the presentation all about you. Make it your mission to say I sparingly. Your pitch deck isn't about you. It's about talking with investors about your business vision. A great way to avoid making the presentation about you is to talk about your team. Investors essentially invest in your idea as well as the strength of your people. Don't overload your presentation with industry jargon. Abbreviations and acronyms may save you time, but they only work when everyone knows what they mean. Use conversational language and avoid marketing jargon at all costs. Don't forget, you are having a conversation with an investor, and jargon just hides what you really mean to say. Don't present excessive financial figures. You'll just bury your great idea in the data. In-depth financials or data can be dropped into a separate capability statement. There's nothing more professional than having documentation that goes into greater detail on hand if investors ask. This next one may seem obvious, but I can't believe how often it is overlooked. Don't be afraid to ask for the money. After all, that is what a pitch presentation is designed for, and everyone in the room has the same agenda: to make money. My final point: don't design your pitch deck yourself. Creating a powerful pitch deck is a skill that involves storytelling, design, and expertise. Presenting with anything less than a professional presentation could literally cost you the deal. A professional pitch deck designer can help you with this. Before you see your designer, make sure you can supply them with the key points investors need to see in your pitch deck. You can do that by downloading my PDF guide from the link in the description. Not only does it cover the key points, but it also gives you tips on how to expand on those points. It'll be a great starting point for your designer and is guaranteed to save you money. Or if you'd prefer to watch a video about these key points, check out the link to my video in the description below. If you don't know any pitch designers, reach out to me for help. If you already have a pitch deck, I'll review it and get back to you with a report letting you know how you can strengthen the message, improve the graphics, or generally make it more compelling. Or if you're starting from scratch, go to my website, link in the description, and choose from one of the 4 options listed. We'll soon have you out there pitching with a powerful pitch deck. After all, you don't get a second chance to impress investors, so getting your pitch deck right should be your primary focus. Do me a favor and like my video, and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Pitch Decks Wow Investors. If you enjoyed this video, I would love to know in the comments below what your biggest takeaway was. Finding an investor for your business isn't easy, but don't forget, you're following your dream, so keep on pitching with passion. You are just one pitch away from success.